Hey everybody, let's continue this education thing so we get better at understanding the body, answer some questions, and apply it to all of our stuff, whether we're trainers or trainees or professionals or whatever it is we are. Why are there tendons? Here's the question. Why are there tendons and what are tendons? Simply put, for today, muscles become tendons, tendons become bone. So muscles, we say muscles attach to bones and they cross joints, kind of like this. Right? You can see this pink muscle thing. Well, why does the muscle become a tendon around the joint when it attaches to the bone? Why doesn't it just stay a muscle all the way through? Let's look at my monstrous bicep as an example. So here it is, right? Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Why does it get so small down here and then become a tendon and then cross the joint and then attach to the bone down here? Why doesn't it just stay this thick the whole way through? Well, think about it. If it was that thick the whole way through, when I go to bend my arm, I couldn't bend it because I'd have this big fat thing in the middle. So we need something really small, really thin to cross over that joint. So what happens is this: we contract, send a message to this muscle contracts, it tries to pull both of its ends together. The muscle attaches to the tendon attaches to the bone. As the muscle gets shorter and tugs on the tendon tugs on the bone, and the bone moves. And that's how we move. So what's really important is the following. It's really important that those tendons do not change length. Because just imagine this. Imagine you have this muscle, right? It's this long, right? We're saying, hey, it attaches over here, crosses the elbow, the muscle becomes a tendon attaches to the bone, and the muscle contracts, pulls on the tendon, and the tendon pulls on the bone, and we move. Imagine if the muscle contracted and the tendon lengthened. So it's like you got this muscle that would get shorter, but from here to here, which is the tendon, imagine the tendon got longer when the muscle got shorter. What would happen? The muscle would move, the tendon would get longer, and my arm would move. That would be some weird movement of us, right? So knowing that a tendon's job is to transmit that force from the muscle to the bone, knowing that it's not supposed to change length, ask yourself, are there any treatments you've used, any exercise rules you've been taught that talk about tendons lengthening or tendons tightening or tendons changing length? Because if it has, throw that stuff away. Now you have a better understanding of what tendons are and how they work. The muscle attaches to the tendon crosses the joint, the muscle contracts, pulls on the tendon pulls on the bone, so the bone moves, that tendon cannot change length, or else you're gonna be moving all weird. Thanks, guys.